Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the seat in an Audi A4. First, find the power seat controls, typically located on the side of the seat base. To move the seat closer or further from the pedals, use the horizontal switch. For vertical adjustments, push the same switch up or down to raise or lower the seat's overall height. These initial steps ensure a comfortable driving position for most drivers. Next, let's fine-tune your backrest and lumbar support. Use the angled switch, usually found near the horizontal one, to recline or incline the backrest to your preferred angle. For crucial lower back comfort, locate the separate lumbar support controls. These allow you to move the support up, down, and adjust its depth, ensuring proper spinal alignment and reducing fatigue on longer drives. Proper headrest and thigh support are vital for both safety and comfort. Adjust the headrest height so its top is level with the top of your head, or as close as possible, to protect against whiplash. Many Audi A4 models also feature an extendable thigh support. Pull the lever or switch to slide it out or in, providing additional leg support and reducing pressure on your thighs during extended journeys. Once you've found your perfect driving position, save it using the seat memory function. Look for buttons labeled 1, 2, or 3, usually on the door panel or seat base. Press and hold your desired number until you hear a chime and your settings are stored. This is incredibly convenient for multiple drivers. Also, for an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.